How to check browsing history on a Wi-Fi router. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu and then go to the gear icon settings. Now go to network and internet. Scroll all the way down and then go to advanced network settings. Now go to hardware and connection properties. Here, simply copy the number that you will find under default address and default gateway address. After that, copy that number and then paste, close the settings menu, then go to your preferred browser. Now, copy the IP address. After that, enter your username and password of your router, and then you will be done. You will see all the browsing histories in your router. So that's it. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video.